Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the concept of complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm with the help of simple solid example. This is the given data set. Here we need to apply complete linkage clustering algorithm and we need to use a Euclidean distance for this given data set. After that, we need to draw the dendrogram by using complete linkage hierarchical clustering algorithm. In the complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, first we need to calculate the pairwise distance between the data points by using Euclidean distance formula. So here consider two data points P and Q with the values x1, y1 and x2, y2. So distance between these two data points by using Euclidean distance formula, which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is a given data set. Here we have the Euclidean distance formula. Here we need to find the pairwise distance between the data points. First I will consider the first pair, that is with the first data point with first data point only. So distance between these two is 0. Next I will consider the data point 1 and data point 2. And here the x1 value is 1, x2 value is 1. Y1 value is 4, Y2 value is 4. So the distance between these two data points is equal to square root of 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 2 minus 4 bracket square, which is equal to 2. Next I will consider the data point 1 and 3. Here x1 is 1, x2 is 0, y1 is 4, y2 is 4. So distance is square root of 0 minus 1 bracket square plus 4 minus 4 bracket square, which is equal to 1. Similarly, we need to find the distance between all the pairs. In the complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, here we need to consider all the data points as its own clusters. So here we have 5 data points, so we'll get the 5 clusters. Those are C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. Once you initialize the cluster, next we need to check which pair is having the minimum distance here. Here we can see that the pair C1 and C3 is having the minimum distance, that is equal to 1. So we need to merge these two clusters. So we'll get the new cluster as a C13 and new clusters as C13, C2, C4 and C5. After that, we need to recompute the distance using the complete linkage agglomerative algorithm between the clusters C13 to C2, C13 to C4, C13 to C5 and C2 to C4, C2 to C5 and C4 to C5. These distances are already calculated. So in the complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, the distance between the two clusters is nothing but maximum distance between points in a clusters. So first I will consider the distance from C13 to C2, which is equal to maximum distance between the data point 1 to 2 and the data point 3 to 2. And the distance between 1 to 2, the distance between 1 to 2 is 2 and distance between 3 to 2, 3 to 2 is 2.24. In between these two values, the maximum value is 2.24. So that the distance between the clusters C13 and C2 is 2.24. Next, I will consider the cluster C13 and C4. And here the maximum distance between the data point 1 to 4 and 3 to 4 we need to find. So the distance between 1 to 4 is 5.83 and distance between 3 to 4 is 6.71. In between these two values, the maximum value is 6.71, so that the distance between the cluster C13 and C4 is 6.71. Similarly, we need to find the remaining distances. Once you find all the distances, next we need to update the table with the new distance. Once you update the table with the new distance, next we need to check which pair is having the minimum distance. So here we can see that the cluster C4 and C5 is having the minimum distance, that is equal to 1.41. So we need to merge these two clusters. So we'll get the new cluster as a C45 and new clusters as C13, C2 and C45. Once you find the new clusters, next we need to recalculate the distance using a complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm between the cluster C13 to C2, C13 to C45 and C2 to C45. But in a complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, the distance between the two clusters is nothing but the maximum distance between the points in the clusters. So first I will consider the distance between the cluster C13 and C2, which is equal to maximum distance between the data point 1 to 2 and data point 3 to 2. So distance between 1 to 2 is 2 and distance between 3 to 2 is 2.24. In between these two values, the maximum value is 2.24, so that the distance between the cluster C13 and C2 is 2.24. So similarly, we need to find all the distances. Once you find the distances, next we need to update the table with the new distance. And after updating the table, we need to check which pair is having the minimum distance. Here we can see that the cluster C13 and C2 is having the minimum distance that is equal to 2.24. So we need to merge these two clusters. So we'll get the new cluster as C132 and new clusters as C132 and C45. So after that, we need to again recalculate the distance using the complete linkage between the cluster C132 and C45. In the complete linkage, the distance between the two clusters is nothing but the maximum distance between the points. So here we can see that the distance between cluster C132 and C45 is equal to 8.06. After that, we need to update the table. Once you update the table, we have only two clusters. So we need to merge these two clusters with a merging cost 8.06. Then we will get the final cluster as a C13245. Once you find the final merge, next we need to draw the dendrogram. First, we merge the cluster C1 and C3 with a merging cost 1. After that, we merge a cluster C4 and C5 with a merging cost 1.41. Then we merge a cluster C13 with a C2 with merging cost 2.24. Finally, we merge a cluster C132 with C45 with a merging cost 8.06. This is how we can find the merging cost, and we can draw the dendrogram by using complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm. I hope the concept of complete linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.